Understanding Post Scheduling, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very useful and modern concept, post scheduling. This term is especially relevant in the world of social media and online content creation. By the end of this video, you'll understand what post scheduling is and how it's used in everyday digital interactions. Post scheduling refers to the process of setting up content, like a post or a message, to be published on a social media platform or website at a future date and time. Instead of posting content manually at the moment, you can plan ahead and schedule it. This is extremely helpful for managing online profiles efficiently. There are several reasons why post scheduling is beneficial. 1. Time management. It allows individuals or businesses to save time, as multiple posts can be prepared and set up in advance. 2. Consistency. It helps in maintaining a consistent online presence, which is crucial for audience engagement. 3. Targeting peak hours. By scheduling posts for specific times, you can ensure your content reaches the maximum number of viewers, particularly during peak hours when more people are online. Scheduling a post typically involves a few simple steps. 1. Create your content. This could be a text post, an image, or a video. 2. Choose a platform that supports post scheduling, like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. 3. Use the platform's scheduling feature to set the date and time for the post to go live. 4. The platform will automatically publish your content at the specified time. To make the most out of post scheduling, consider the following tips. Plan your content calendar. Organize your posts in advance to maintain a balanced and varied content flow. Understand your audience. Schedule posts for times when your audience is most active. Quality over quantity. Focus on creating valuable and engaging content rather than just filling up the calendar. Post scheduling is a powerful tool for anyone looking to manage their online presence effectively. It helps in saving time, reaching the right audience at the right time, and maintaining a consistent content flow. I hope this video helps you understand and utilize post scheduling better. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!